Hello from the south of France. Yep, on another trip on the way down to the Pyrenees in the van. But look, today making a little quick video. I put the video up the other day, my first thoughts on the DJI Avata. I was not very impressed with the signal, frankly. I was suffering serious dropouts, 300 meters, less than 1,000 feet, just going around a simple tree. Now, for some of that flight, I had one of the little antennae pointing down, but then I popped both up and was facing bang on to where the drone was flying, and still it seemed to struggle with signal going round that tree, as I say, about 250 meters away. So a little bit of a fun test this afternoon. Mini 3 has had more than its fair share of criticism on its signal strength and range. Frankly, I have found it to be pretty good over the last few months. Certainly in the absence of trees, Mini 3 has no issues whatsoever. In my opinion, a little FPV drone is designed to be flown low ground level, around trees, around obstacles. So signal strength is key. Now, of course, we are unlucky. France, no different to the UK. We're in the CE section. These drones are unfortunately geo-disabled, if you like. Frankly, they are practically disabled. We have a much lower transmission power under European rules. Not 100% sure why the UK has to continue to abide by that, why we can't maybe adopt FCC rules, but maybe that's a discussion for another day. But either way, unfortunately, unlike our friends over in the States, we are degraded with regards to the transmission power for all DJI drones for that matter, but it seems to be all the more apparent for the Avata. So look, today, little test. I'm going to be flying the Mini 3, around 300-400 meters. I've got quite a few trees with leaves around here, and I'll do exactly the same flight with the Avata, same height, same flight, and we'll compare the results and see whether or not this is at least as good as the Mini 3, and if not, then yeah, we can ask some questions. Anyway, that's the test for today. Let's get on with it. Right, so first off, Mini 3. I'm obviously making things a little bit difficult for it, otherwise what would be the point of a test? So we're going to be flying along. You can see I've got these bushes here all along, and I've got some trees, about 150 meters, possibly not even that, yeah, 150 meters or so there. So I'll literally be flying along, around the trees and back, avoiding this nice wire going up ahead. So let's get the Mini 3 going first of all. So get up to about just 5 meters, head off. So up to about 6 meters there, and actually those trees were less than 100 meters away, so really shouldn't have much. So now flying around behind those trees. Really haven't got too much drama there. Got a little bit of a signal break up there behind the low landi. Another little bit of signal break up there. Past the tree. And in he comes. Not too bad. Lost a couple of lost the signal a couple of times there, but literally more just a stutter. Let's do one more little circuit just for good measure. So these are the trees I really want to be testing. Spin round. So there we go, right behind those trees. Okay, not too bad at all. Right, that all seems to work nicely. Let's bring the Mini 3 back and have another go with the FPV Avata. Right, so exactly the same flight, Avata, These are the goggles 2, not the V2, the older ones. These are the new goggles 2, and obviously the little motion controller. So let's see how we get on now with this. Okay. Round. Seems okay behind those main trees. Oh, a little bit of a jerk, so did the Mini 3 though. So right, it's these liability that seem to be the troublesome. Gone. Back again. Past me, flying. Let's go away a little bit further. So let's break 200 meters. 200 meters and we are fucked. Okay, let's try that on the Mini 3 because I didn't do that same flight. 264 meters. That's only the trees that are in the way. I am facing, but I've got these bank of trees are completely in the way. Just turn away again, fly away. $230 meters, 5 meters below. There you go. That's it, 280 meters. If we go up higher, oh, okay. Let's turn around. Oh, you see, look at that. Blocky, blocky, crappy, crappy. 280 meters, we are not very good. Okay, let's bring that home. Try one more pass behind those liability that it really hates, we already know. What am I here? 7. 4 meters high, 3 meters high, and just freezes and lost. Ah, bollocks. Look at that. There we go, so it's going into auto return to home. Hopefully going up a little bit. Hello little drone, glad you're home. Little haircut. Okay, so that wasn't really too great, was it? 280 meters away, so again, what's that going to be? 600-700 feet. I'm going to do a flight again with the Mini 3 because I didn't do an extended flight over that back field. Just want to compare the signal quality I get with the Mini 3 and then the test will be done. So, right, without further ado, I'm going to get rid of all of this and swap back to the Mini 3. Right, so same long distance flight this time. Let's see how the Mini 3 copes. So behind those trees, there I am. Just fly low level out to about 300 meters away. So So it's a little bit jumpy, but he's definitely got more signal than I had with the Avatar. No, he's dropping out. So let's go behind those leylandii. See, he goes behind those. Oh no, okay, we judded a bit there. But otherwise, he seemed to be absolutely fine. Go over the line. Drop down. Low level again. It gets a bit jumpy at 300 meters. Doesn't ever really lose signal completely though. He's not happy there though. So he seems to have almost lost signal completely there. There we go, thank you. Cancel. Thank you. Let's bring it in. Try those leylandii again. He's handling it better than the yeah. Very interesting. Well, I find these sorts of tests interesting. So to me, the Avatar is slightly worse than the Mini 3. Not massively though. Mini 3 managed to keep its signal when I went to 300 meters away, although it kind of got a bit blocky. And only once did it actually lose connection with the controller altogether, and that was right, as I say, over 300 meters away. When I was going behind that bank of Leylandi, this managed to keep the signal going, whereas every single time the Avatar failed. So it's a little bit disappointing because, I mean, in my opinion, a drone like the Mini 3 should be flown up high and you're getting more cinematic sort of video, whereas the Avatar is designed to be flown close to the ground, close to objects, close to buildings and trees, because that's the whole point of FPV flying. And it looks like we're being universally trounced, whatever, screwed, whichever way you want to look at it, with the CE lower power rating, because we're seeing videos filmed over in the States, and the flyers are absolutely loving it, loving its range. Whereas over here, you go more than 200-300 meters and bang, you're running out of signal. And that bank of Leylandi, they're literally only 100 meters away. So a bit disappointing really. Now, is there anything that DJI can do to tweak this and improve this in a firmware update? I don't know. I sincerely hope so. I mean, obviously the throttling of the transmission power is done electronically. The same Avatars are being sold in the UK and Europe as they are being sold over in the USA. So it's electronic transmission throttling that's occurring here. I kind of hope that maybe DJI can still do a little bit of fine tuning, because at the moment, it's not a lot of fun when you're trying to fly close to obstacles and then you lose signal, and you're literally then flying blind for a few seconds and you have no idea what's happening to your little drone. So anyway, as I say, I enjoy these sorts of tests, and at least it shows the limitations of the equipment I'm using, so I know what I can and can't do when I'm flying. As ever, you like this sort of thing, give it a little thumbs up. Heading down to the Pyrenees in the next couple of days, so a bit of mountain flying should be good fun. Anyway, as ever, until next time, you have fun, happy flying.